Hi there, students. Flippant. Okay, if somebody is flippant, they're not being serious and respectful. They're trying to be funny and making jokes in a situation where people expect you to be serious. To treat a subject that is serious in a way that is not serious, and especially when it annoys people. So at the funeral, he spent his whole time making jokes and being flippant. Okay, so notice flippant is a critical word. If you say somebody's being flippant, you're saying they're lacking the due seriousness, the appropriate seriousness for the situation. Now, I think many native speakers use this word wrongly and use it just to mean joking. Many a time I've heard people say, "I was just being flippant." But notice this flippant is saying lacking due respect, and I think many native speakers just use it to mean joking, and I think the meaning is changing slightly. But if you're flippant, you're joking about something which most people think is a serious subject and that you should be serious about it. I think at school, kids are normally make flippant comments during class when they should be seriously studying. So, for example, don't be flippant. This is a serious subject. We have a serious problem, and I don't need your flippant attitude. Okay? He evaded the question with a flippant remark. So it was a serious question, but his answer was just a joke. So, flippant. Joking about something, or making jokes, or not being serious, when most people think this is something to be serious about, and you shouldn't be making jokes about it, and it's something that annoys them. You also have a noun, flippancy. His flippancy in this terrible situation was amazing. And you also have an adverb, flippantly. He replied to the question flippantly. Okay? So, if you're being flippant, you're being disrespectful. If somebody calls you flippant, they effectively are saying you should be serious. You shouldn't be making jokes. Okay, this word flippant comes from the word flip, which today in English means to turn over. But this comes from a Germanic or Scandinavian origin. You have the Scandinavian word, apparently, flipper, which means to talk nonsense. And there's a similar German word meaning to talk at length but without any comment. So what about formality? I guess this word flippant is slightly formal, but you could definitely use it in an informal conversation. I think in an informal conversation you'd just use it meaning joking. If you use it in a formal setting, then make sure you use it correctly, that somebody's not being serious when they should be serious. Okay? So, flippant, an adjective. Stop being flippant and pay attention to the matter at hand. When somebody's flippant, it is annoying to many people. It's something that they're not happy about and they think they should be serious. His aunt does not like his flippant attitude, and he should take life more seriously. It would be good if kids were less flippant with their subject, or with their studies. I don't know, I think being flippant in a serious situation can be quite good. It can make people feel a bit better, but that's the meaning of the word. So, flippant. Not being serious when you should. Joking when you shouldn't really be joking about it. Flippancy, a noun. Flippantly, an adverb. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Flippant.